Hello everyone. Today I show how to create the new email. So first of all, you need to go a browser and browse a website. The URL. This is the URL stu.nu.edu.cn. So you just go this website. Before use this email, you must need to create the email address. So that's why if you have the username and password, you just need to log in. But if you don't create the account, so you need to go this option, the second option. So I'm going to this second option. So after that, automatically redirect the website pass.edu.cn. so you just need to give your user ID and also give the password and go this website. Okay, then it show this one. So then you need to just select the second option. Just I select the second option and it's redirects this one. So this is the ID and the email address is 2128041@stu.nu.edu.cn. so you need to give the password. So you need to set your own password for this email address. Suppose I give the password this one. Okay, I give a password. So I give the same password here. And after that I confirm this one. So that means this my email address is already created. So then I need to bound my email address as my name so that people can use my name here. Select the second option to bound your name. Suppose you can give your ID, so and also you also give your name here. Suppose I'm giving a name here. If people send me the email devila@stumail.nu.edu.cn, so I bound this one. Okay, I bound this one, so it's successfully bound. So suppose you can share this email to others so that people can send you the email. So suppose I bound this one stu.edu.cn, so and just now I already created. Now I need to only just log in. So sign in. So I need to create. Okay, this is my email. I already created this one. So this one, if anyone send the email, so no one can send in the email here. So if I send the email, so I need to just create and select the email and I send. It's no problem. So suppose which mail you can use, you can choose this one. This two mail is yours, 2128041@stu.nu.edu.cn, and also you can use the devila@stumail.nu.edu.cn. so you can use any mail. Suppose I can use this one, so select my email here to check. So I am not CC, just check. Here I am not write down anything, just check. So if I send this one, so the mail is already sent to this one, this email. Okay, that's all about this one. So you can just use. So after use this one, you can log in, log out. So no problem. So now you don't need to create the account again. So you just log in. Is a username. A username is your ID, and also give the password, which password you set when you create the account. So that's all. Thank you.